Hi, we're Jason and Allie, the Style Guys, fashion, lifestyle, and fun connoisseurs. And today we're here to talk to you about Mother's Day 2020.
Now we know that this Mother's Day looks quite different than others in the past. Some of you, maybe you see your mom 24/7. Others, maybe you haven't seen mom in a little while. However, it's a great time of year to remember to show some love and affection to all the important women in our lives, whether that's mom, grandma, or anybody else that helps take care of us.
We have gifts for every single mom and at every single price point as well. We also have gifts that you can make, that you can purchase, you can send online, or hand deliver. And we also have a great promo code coming up at the very end, so you can get mother a great gift for a very great price.
Now, let's start with something you can make. And what we're doing is we're talking about recipes that are really easy, really fun for the whole family, and require very few ingredients. We've got a savory and a sweet.
Let's start with savory. So we've made some really amazing savory muffins. They're super cheesy, they're super easy to make. I could even make them, and we've packaged them up really nicely in a tin that you can deliver. Our special ingredient in these muffins though is the Tabasco green jalapeno sauce. It's milder than the original, but still has all the flavor. If your mom likes it a little bit more spicy, like my mom does, you can use the original or the chipotle that has a smokiness flavor to it, which I think also would be quite delicious. And if you want to find more information, you can go to tabasco.com for all of the amazing recipes.
Now, for the sweet recipe, we found this really fun and super easy recipe that's a new take on the chocolate dipped strawberries. These are called Campfire Strawberries. Really, it's just two ingredients. It's large California strawberries and marshmallow fluff. What we've done is we've washed and skewered our California strawberries, and then we've taken a little bit of this marshmallow fluff, microwaved it so that it gets nice and smooth. And then what you want to do is dip it into the fluff about 3/4 of the way up. And when you're finished with that, you can just hold it over a campfire or even over your gas stove to get a little bit of brown on there. It's so good. And what's also great about this recipe for this year is that California strawberries are a great source of vitamin C, with 8 actually having as much as a whole orange. So a great way to keep mom's immune system high as well right now. And you can check all of that out at californiastrawberries.com, this recipe and more.
So now if you can't make a meal for mom or she lives a little farther away, why not save her a trip to the grocery store? We actually use Chef's Plate all the time.
All the time.
Yeah, so if you got her a gift card or a meal kit from the leading meal kit company, Chef's Plate, it's super easy. So what they do is they give you all the pre-portioned ingredients, they give you a great recipe card with step-by-step instructions to make the meal in 30 minutes or less. You can actually check out all recipes at chefsplate.com. Some of our favorites right now are the shrimp Alfredo pasta with fresh linguine, a steak Caesar salad with kale and crispy croutons, and this one that we made is the roasted beet and feta nourish bowl with maple drizzle and pesto quinoa pilaf. It's definitely a mouthful, but so delicious. Now make sure you get your order in before May 6th so that mom can get her meal kit before the big day, and use the promo code STYLEGUYS50 for 50% off your first order.
Okay, now moving on from food, we also love curating a good gift basket. And what we've done this year to make it really easy for you is we've included items that are all available from your local pharmacy. And we're calling this our self-care basket. So the first thing that we've included are items from Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day. Now you probably know them for their really effective cleaning products, but now they've just released a new line of garden fragrance air fresheners. So these brand new products, they actually come in 2 different formats. One is the soy candle in a cute little glass jar right here, and then it also comes in a room freshening spray. Now these come in 3 different fragrances, and we've got 2 of them here for you today. One is the lavender, which is a calming, soothing scent. You maybe are getting on mom's nerves, and she could probably use some of that right now. And then there's also the honeysuckle, which is known for being a little bit more uplifting and energizing. So we love that. The third one that is also out that we can't wait to try is a refreshing basil. What we love about Mrs. Meyer's is that all of their scents are made from essential oils and they're uncomplicated. So they really do bring the outdoors in. And mom's also gonna love that all of the packaging is totally recyclable and all products are cruelty-free. So you can check that all out at mrsmyers.ca.
Now we can't forget about our lips when we're thinking about self-care. So we went to one of our favorite brands, Burts Bees, who I'm sure Jason has a lip balm in his pocket right now.
I always do.
Always.
We live in Calgary after all.
And so we've actually included 3 Burts Bees products in our self-care package. One of them being the Burts Bees Conditioning Lip Scrub. So it actually acts as a gentle exfoliator and conditioner for dry lips. There's the Overnight Intensive Lip Treatment, which delivers long-lasting moisture for healthy lips. And then of course we can't forget about the hydrating oils that come in a passion fruit and sweet almond flavor. And they're really great to again replenish the moisture in your lip and also reduce fine lines and wrinkles.
Mom's gonna love that.
You know this.
Finally, we've got a special gift for Mom this year that we think is extra important for 2020, and that's the Tab S6 Lite from Samsung. Now this is a gift that really offers her entertainment, creativity, and connection. The Tab S6 Lite comes in 3 colors, Oxford Gray, Angora Blue, and Chiffon Pink, and comes with the matching S Pen. This is an amazing device for private screenings so she can binge all of her favorite shows. And what's really cool is it comes with dual speakers and sound by AKG and Dolby Surround Sound. If she's missing her girls' nights, the Tab S6 Lite comes with Google Duo capabilities, so she can join virtual video hangouts with her friends, and of course with you. Mom can also send and receive text messages through her Samsung account, even when her smartphone is in the other room. Now the S Pen comes included with every Tab S6 Lite, so it helps Mom really effortlessly take notes, she can go through her work, she can create and edit, and it snaps magnetically to the side of it, so she shouldn't lose it. And you can order that online at Samsung.com.
Of course, we're all going through a lot right now, but regardless of your budget or proximity to that special lady in your life, we hope we've given you some inspiration on gifting her an extra special gift this Mother's Day.
Moms, thanks for all you do for us. We hope that you have a Mother's Day that is filled with love, happiness, and light.
We love you, Lois and Dilshad.